Here we're going to do a little trick here. Hopefully I can do it one-handed. But what you do is for the Ford Mustang 4.6 1999 to 2004, you hold the trip and start the vehicle. Let me do that real quick. And keep it held. Hold it until it says test. And then you can test your gauges. That's all the lights on the odometer. Check all the bulbs. Not sure what the R is. 61 EE02 DTC none. Engine speed, I believe. Let's see. Yeah. So that's the speed. I'm not sure what the M is. I'll find that out. Tach. Fuel. Have it full. Oil. This is 0. That's concerning. The make. Was it when it was made? Battery 18.1 volts. A whole bunch of other stuff. Pedal position, or is that PEO? PEI, PE2, PE3, PE4, gauges. So I'm right back to where it started. I'm gonna keep it on the Tach, but I'll put a list in the description of what all those mean. Have a good day.